In this video, I'm going to talk to you about sharing your videos. Obviously, that's the main point, right? You're going to store, this is a great storage area for your videos, but the idea is that you're sharing them somewhere. And one of the simplest ways to do that is via the link. All right, so if I go to any video and I say, get the link, all right, and I'm going to copy that link to clipboard. And let's pop back out of here slightly and paste. So a link is created the instant you upload a video. It's created, and it's a ToobFlow link, and it gives you quick access to the videos, right? So that I could share this link with anybody, they can watch it. Now, a couple things with this. We'll get to the branding. You can change that. You can turn on comments. You can put a password in here, so only people that have the password can do it. We're going to talk about all that here in a second. But just want to show you that's you upload a video, you've got a private link to that video you can send to anybody, and that's pretty handy, especially if somebody missed a webinar or they missed your summit and they wanted to watch one interview, or maybe a speaker's like, hey, I wanted to see that interview we did. You can just quickly send them a link and they can watch it here and so forth. Okay, now you can do that multiple places, right? If we're in this view, obviously it's the same thing. We can click here, copy link from the thumbnail view. I like the list view, of course. If you go inside the video and you're making a bunch of changes, you save it, share, same thing. You can get it takes you to the embed, but you can grab the link right there directly and get that as well. Okay, now if you want to customize that share video, you can come to the video itself. We're inside the video. Let's go back out and just come back in. We're in the welcome video. We're in the settings. We go down to video page, and this is what it looks like. So that looks like the page itself, right? And we can, in fact, by default, you're going to have the ToobFlow logo on here, but you can upload your own custom logo here. You can change the page theme. You can allow comments if you like. And so you can quickly customize this if you want to share it. All right. So not too much trouble. You would save it and then you grab the link again, put it out there, and it would be all set. So that's a great way to share it. Similarly, you can share by creating a showcase. We're going to do that in a little later lesson, and also in a via video collection, you can share multiple videos in one basically frame like this. Now, lastly, let's talk about the security for sharing. So let's say you wanted to turn on a password. You could just, I'm inside the video again. I just turn on the password, right? And I would put the password information in and save it. Most of this stuff I would just leave. This is basically text. So it will say, hey, this is password protected. Please enter the password. The button says unlock. While it submits, it says loading. If there's an error or the wrong password, it will give these messages. So that's handy if you want to share something, but you're afraid, it might get exposed. You just want it to go to certain people. Maybe you're putting it on a page of your site, but it's only for people with the password, and they can get that. Maybe you email them the password if they opt in or something, so forth like that. So a lot of times you don't have to put this is one of those features where you don't have to put a video in a course inside another platform. You can just put it on a web page and lock it that way. Now, lastly, let's go. We're not going to save anything there, but we'll come back. Is most of the time you're probably putting this on a page somewhere, right? So if it's a summit, sales video, so forth, how do I get that? I grab the embed code, and you've got a choice of iframe or just the script. Most of the time, if you don't know the difference, most of the time the script is what you're going to use. Iframe is if the page itself is in a frame, iframe. So copy this to clipboard, and we're going to go, for this test, we're going to go to PubFunnels. But whatever your platform is for your web pages and so forth, you can go there. Now, let's just save this. I'm just going to show you this as it is. you can see we don't have a video put in there yet, but this is our little test page, right? And I want to go back and I want to change this video. So I click on this element. It's a video. I can put in any of these, but it's a custom embed. I just take that embed code and paste it right there, save it, and now let's go preview it again. You can see it is my welcome video for OfferMan, right? And I can start to play it and so forth. So very handy. Now, if I wanted to change it, let's say, well, OfferMan has got this reddish color, and we're going to the more customization and branding next, but what I want to do is, I just want to show you how this works, is I'm going to say, I want the skin to be a different color. I want it to be red. And I would probably do something more to match OfferMan. It's probably more in that range, right? There. I'm going to hit save. And if I refresh this page, see now it's rebranded to my red brands. Okay, so pretty cool. And we'll get into skins and all that later, but that's how you're going to share a lot of your videos. And then you can actually take this and save it as a template. And we'll do that in a little bit later. But so once you get the color scheme and everything the way you want, you save it as a template, and then you can just apply that to each video when you bring it in.